Ọ̀lẹ alápá máa ṣiṣẹ́, olówó fẹ́ flex yo. No food for lazy man, paddy double your work o. Anything wey you want to, you go get am if you work yo. Má wá gbọ́ alágò ṣiṣẹ́ o, stop living fake life. Òróró no be good boy, pussycat no be tiger o. Monkey àtọ̀ sí chimpanzee.
So what now happens to the Ghana?
Sir, after the whole checking, the whole observation, your car is suffering from hypertensive 5.
What?
Yes, hypertensive 5.
Car hypertensive?
Is that not hypertension?
Yes, hypertension.
Wait, you didn't even open the bonnet of the car. So what the hell is hypertensive 5 in a car?
You see, I'm not just ordinary mechanic. I am a professional, certified corporate mechanic, aka car surgeon. Have you seen any just ordinary mechanic dressing like this to come and do service? It's because I know my work. I sleep like this. I do car for important people such as Davido, President, Senate President, and the likes. So if you can't afford my service, don't question my work.
Okay, no sense.
Better. You see, the hypertensive 5 of your car was caused by the jack and suffer.
Which one is jack suffer?
Wait, is that not jack absorber?
Calm down, let me explain to you. You see, each time your car climbs this gallop thing on the road, what do they call this?
Bump.
Bump. Are you in Europe? You see, each time your car climbs that thing, your car will don't jubu. And once your car don't jubu, at that time, your car is already suffering. The jack of the car is suffering big time. And the more you do it, the more the jack suffer. And the thing, once the thing accumulates, it now results into hypertensive 5.
So what's the solution?
Now you are talking. The only solution we are going to do is that we have to buy all those things. We are going to buy jack, we buy anti-shocker. We now take your car to my theater for surgery. I mean my workshop. We take it there for surgery. And your car will be alright.
All these things you just mentioned, are they part of a car?
Yes, now you know when you are not doing my work.
Okay, so now, how much is now everything?
You see, the jack alone costs 25,000. Anti-shocker Tokumbo, we see that one for 80,000. The new one is 45,000. But I will advise you to buy Tokumbo because Tokumbo lasts year. And the therapeutic section in my workshop, that one will cost you 100,000. Then my workmanship, 35,000. Everything all together, 240,000.
Uncle Shey Yahweh, 240,000 on top car.
Top car. Why will you be abusing me in yoga?
You are still speaking English. Alayirosi, do you think you can use this your soup and this your yeye or what you like? Yeye laptop, deceiving people around. No, you are one of those people our president mentioned. Yeye, lazy Nigeria youth.
Lazy Nigeria. I better pack your everything and come on here, Charlie.
Leave this place.
But I know be for monkey oh. You wanna have a big boy. Swagger on she fall oh. Walk you.